This is the instructional video on how to do the Google Doc worksheet Life in the 13 Colonies, highlighting government and English trade laws. Here are the directions. Read the question below, use the Google slide notes and the reading given to you, and answer the questions to the best of your ability. So you need to use the slides that we are going over in class this week to answer these questions down here, because I will go over the answer to these, and all of these answers will be on your Google slide that I have given to you this week. So here's the first question. What is Parliament? So you need to go into your Google slides and find out what Parliament is. Okay? You need to go into your slides and find out what Parliament is, and then type the answer over here. So I'm going to say it again. You need to go into your Google slides and find out what Parliament means and type it over here. So number 2 said, what did the English Bills of Rights do? What did the English Bills of Rights do? So you need to go into your Google slides, find out what it did, because we will talk about it, and then type it over here. And number 3, it says, what impact does the English Bills of Rights have on the colonists? So what impact did it have? What did it do for them? Okay, you need to go find that out and type it in here. And then number 4, what is the difference between indentured servants and slaves? So you need to go back to your Google slides and find the slides that I talk about servants, and find the slides that I talked about slaves, and find the difference. And I will also talk about that in class, to talk about the difference between the indentured servants and slaves. And you need to type it out here. Now, we are not done, so you need to keep scrolling when you're done with this. And down here, this is a fill-in. So I've took a picture of 3 of the colonies for you. And up here, you need to copy and paste down here, what is the name of this colony? Is it the New England colonies, the Southern, or the Middle? What is the name of this colony? And you need to put that right here. Is it the New England, the Southern, or the Middle? And what is the name of this colony? And you need to put it right here. Is it the New England, the Southern, or the Middle? And then we're going to read these description, and you're going to match these description to these colonies. Which one is which? Okay, so here are your choices. The New England colonies, the Southern colonies, the Middle colonies. Many of these colonies were established as trading posts with the Iroquois Indian, and to make a place for religious freedom for the Quakers. Okay, sorry, I had a typo. They are also Christian Protestant, but have Quakers as a large number as well. They focus on farming. They have slavery, but also relied on indentured servants as well. They grew crops like wheat. Ooh, remember what colonies had wheat, right? Here's the next one. Many of these colonies were established for religious freedom or religious reasons. A lot of the people were Christian Protestant. They emphasized on manufacturing and business. Their land was hard and rocky, so they weren't able to cultivate crops in large fields. They also did not demand slavery in their colonies. Well, it's not that they didn't demand slavery. They did not demand as much slavery, right? They relied a lot more on indentured servants. Many of these colonies were established for English merchants that wanted to make money and profit. They had Christian Protestant and Catholic Christian as well. They focused on farming and had many plantations. They had indentured servants along with slavery. However, slavery was heavily emphasized on. They grew crops like cotton and tobacco. So you need to copy one of these and then post them on the correct one. All right, you will be graded on this assignment. If you have any question, you can drop it in the Padlet for me.